Hello everyone, Camila Rinaldi here from NextPit.com, and these are the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12X, the vanilla versions of the new flagship from Xiaomi. We are here at Axica in Berlin and we had a chance to test it. So let's see what these two devices are capable of, right? Let's go. The first thing to notice is not only the removal of the name Mi, but also the smaller dimensions. The new smartphones come with a compact but beautiful 6.2 inches AMOLED display with 120 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution and a maximum brightness of 1100 nits. All protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, everything a flagship needs in 2022, right? The first difference is seen in the built SoCs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the Xiaomi 12, while the cheaper Xiaomi 12X uses the Snapdragon 870. Both offer 5G and the performance should be enough for the next few years. Both phones are paired with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage, with no option for expansion. Both phones are similar in the camera department. You will find triple cameras with 50 megapixels on the main sensor, 13 megapixels in the ultra-wide angle and 5 megapixels as a macro. Here you can see a few samples on what this camera can do. The batteries on both phones have 4,500 mAh, but there's another difference here. The 12X module can only be charged with a cable at 67 watts. The vanilla module goes beyond that, also charging wirelessly with 50 watts. Last but not least, good news. MIUI 13 finally comes in the new series running on Android 12. Check on nextpit.com if your phone will also receive the new version. So, this is it. This is the first impressions on the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12X. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And we will have the hands-ons first and then the reviews at nextpit.com. So, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and see you later. Bye!